now you guys, we are right back to the crib. Even though today we did go to Hugo Boss, the purchase we had to end up making was at Macy's. So let me show you guys what we got. This jacket right here. And I couldn't pass this over. I know spring is on the way, but I do live in Texas and it's crazy out here with the weather. Now this jacket right here is, I love it because it's black and denim. And the retail of this jacket was $400. Also, they had a 50% off, and she hooked me up with like another 20% on this jacket. So I definitely could not pass this over. As you can see the front right here, just basic, just denim, says Hugo all over with the royal blue Hugo tag right here. And at the back, it just says Hugo Boss all over. You know, two pockets right here on in front of the jacket. I don't think it has any on the sleeves. The sleeves just say Hugo. Sleeves just say Hugo. And this jacket was hard, y'all. Black and denim. That's crazy. So I'm gonna try this joint on and let you guys see how it looks. Now this is the try on from the front, you guys. Dope. No pockets inside of the jacket. Oh, I'm telling the story. It is a pocket right here. It is a zip pocket right here. Another one, no, just one right here on the left side of the jacket right here. So I'm gonna let you guys look at it. Yeah, and this is dope, man. Navy, not navy, denim. It just says Hugo all over. If they had some pants, something like that would matched up, but no, I probably wouldn't even done the pants. I probably done like a jean that was pretty much to this same color. That's probably what I will do. Or I can go a different route. But this jacket overall is dope. I love how the collar is black. They didn't keep it denim all the way through. So with it being black on this collar, let me show you guys the sneakers that I will be pairing up with this jacket. So the sneakers, you guys probably have seen these sneakers a few weeks ago if you watch all my videos. But I seen this denim and with the light denim on these Jordan 6s right here, and the black on the tip, the lace, and the tongue. I decided I would pair it up together with this right here. I think this will turn out to be a dope fit. Denim and black, that's why actually, you can pretty good. I went with the black t-shirt under just to incorporate the black still, but this I think will be a dope outfit to put together. Shout out to Hugo Boss as well. So y'all know me, if there's anything that you guys seen in the video today, or if you like this jacket, comment down below. And you guys, I'm trying to run my Instagram up. If you have not followed my Instagram, make sure you please follow my Instagram. It is Scotty_Nino. Once again, it's where I post a lot of my outfits. I don't show a lot of my fits on YouTube. I just put them together. And you guys, let's do our thing. Run this video up, like it, share, do what we need to do so we can hit our goal. 10,000, it is on the way. And yeah, man, thank y'all once again, and I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twisted, baby girl just wanna